whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back.
Hi, I'm here to interview.
So, Jesse, how do you feel about your new movie coming out?
Do you mean Death of a Kitten?
Yes.
That is pretty good. I play the kitten.
How do you feel about dying in the movie?
I feel pretty good. I mean, seriously, I got to meet a very famous star who then killed me. But I'm still alive, don't worry.
Who's the star's name?
Her name's Ariana Grande. Except for she didn't like me that much. That's why she killed me. No.
What's your favorite color?
Black.
Who's your role model?
My mother. Hey.
Do you have anything else you want to say to the fans?
Yes, I do. I have a huge speech. But first I would like to thank my mom and my dad and my sister, my brother, and my grandparents and Shelby, my maid. Ah! Oh my gosh! I was in the middle of a celebrity speech.
Say bye to the camera, Jesse.
Bye, camera.